Hi. One of the more fun part of having a personal Pinterest account is that you can save a lot of great ideas from the web. And there is a way to make this very easy, and that is to install the Pin It button to your browser. So let's move over to my computer and take a look. As you can see, I am using my Chrome browser. So the first thing we're gonna do is search for Pinterest button. And here in Pinterest help section, we will find the information we need. As you can see, you can use this extension with Chrome, with the Firefox browser, or with Microsoft Edge browser. So all we have to do is click the Chrome Web Store and it takes you directly to Pinterest Save button extension. Add to Chrome, and it asks you once again and say add extension. Now it takes you to the website that shows you how you can use it, but we are going to look at it together. So I click on my little puzzle piece up here so I can pin that extension to my bar here, so it's always on top, visible. To use it, we are going to go to my website, the Swedish Fika, and here I have a lot of blog posts. So when we are there, let's click on the Pinterest button and it shows me all the images here I can save. In this case, I want to save this one, an article about Astrid Lindgren. Mark that one. I can choose up to 20 images at once. I click next. So I want to save it in a board called Swedish. And here we are. Here is the image that I saved. I have the link to where I got it from. If I click this, it will open in a new tab. And here we are. I can write a note to myself that is just for me. No one else can see it. So let's go to my profile. And here we have the new board called Swedish with the pin I just added. Let's say that I do a Google search and I search for recipe, Swedish meatballs maybe, and I go to images. Let's say that I like this image. As you can see, when I hover over the images here, a little save button pops up. So let's save this directly from Google, and this can go in Swedish or in food. Let's put this one in food. And now I have a button say see it now. And here it says it's from Google.com, and it takes us to images. If I instead visit this website and scroll down and find the image, I can save it again. And this time I'm not choosing food. So you see, when I click here, I can choose another board, and let's save it in Swedish this time and hit save. Let's go to my board. And as you can see, if I click all boards, it looks a little different. This is the little preview from Google Images, and the link is just to Google. This is linked to the website where I found it, and it has a little bit more information. So let's go back to my boards and look at it. Here it is in the board Swedish, and here it's how it looks in the board food. So there you have it, how you can save images and URLs to websites with things you are interested in. In tomorrow's One Question tutorial, I will show you how you can save images from the web using your mobile device. Hej då!